Hello, this is lecture 10, Tungal School of Basic and Applied Sciences, Degree College, Jamkandi. I am Ramanjan sir, Department of Mathematics. So let us discuss the absolute value of a real number or modulus of a real number. See that absolute value of a real number or modulus of a real number. Suppose the real number may be x. For x belongs to R, comma, we define the modulus of a real number x as mod x is equal to minus x if x less than 0, is equal to 0 if x is equal to 0, is equal to x if x greater than 0. Generally, we are taking mod x is always the positive values for all x belongs to R. Even if here is also mod x is equal to minus x we define if x is less than 0. X less than 0 means x has the negative value. Suppose put here is the negative value. Suppose x less than 0 is to be x is equal to minus 2. If I put x is equal to minus 2 here, minus of minus 2 is to be the positive value. And next, x is equal to 0 means mod 0 is equal to 0. X greater than 0, the positive values of x put here is supposed to mod 2 is equal to 2 itself. Like that, we define the modulus of x is always to be as positive. It is to be denoted by mod x. Next, properties of this modulus. Properties. Later on, we prove a few properties. First one, mod x is equal to maximum of minus x comma x. So maximum of this is to be positive value, always to be put there. Mod x is to be the positive real number. Second one, mod x whole square is equal to x square, comma, for all x belongs to R, and mod x is equal to plus or minus root of x square. Even here is also to be is equal to plus or minus x. Next, third one, mod x is always to be greater than or equal to minus x, and mod x is also to be greater than or equal to plus x. Simply, this implies the fourth one is now minus x is less than or equal to mod x, and x also always to be less than or equal to mod x. Next, the fifth property, mod x plus y is less than or equal to mod x plus mod y, comma, for all x comma y belongs to R. Next, sixth one, mod of x minus y is also to be less than or equal to mod x plus mod y, comma, for all x comma y. Seventh one, mod x minus y is also to be again greater than or equal to mod of mod x minus mod y. So the properties are to be in continuation. Eighth one, mod product xy is equal to mod x into mod y. Ninth one, mod x by y is equal to mod x by mod y. All these are for our x comma y belongs to R. So 10th one, mod x minus a is less than epsilon, comma, for epsilon greater than 0. Then a minus epsilon is less than x is less than a plus epsilon. So this modulus also can be written as inequality. Why? Because it is to be, suppose mod x minus a is less than epsilon implies if we eliminate mod to one side, that other side to be plus or minus. So that eliminate mod in the left side means x minus a is less than plus or minus epsilon, implies this inequality is to be whenever less than is there, that will be lies in between the two values. It is minus epsilon is less than x minus a is less than epsilon. So adding a to both sides, a minus epsilon is less than x is less than a plus epsilon. So mod of x minus a is less than epsilon means that inequality is to be a minus epsilon is less than x is less than a plus epsilon. Next, 11th one, mod x plus y whole square plus mod x minus y whole square is equal to 2 into mod x square plus 2 into mod y square. It is for all x comma y belongs to R. So these are all a few properties of the modulus of real numbers. A few of them are very important that we can prove. So let us see the theorem 1. It is if for all x belongs to R, then prove that mod x is equal to root of x square. Actually it is plus or minus, but mod value is to be always to be positive. We take only the positive value and reject the negative sign. See that the proof. For all x belongs to R, comma, we define mod x is equal to minus x if x less than 0, 0 if x is equal to 0, x if x greater than 0, implies for every x belongs to R, mod x can be defined like this. So what is the simplification of this? As mod x is equal to, it is plus or minus x, comma, for all x belongs to R. So simplifying all this, mod x value is to be plus or minus x, comma, for all x belongs to R. So squaring on both sides, mod x whole square is equal to plus or minus x whole square. This is equal to x square. This implies mod x is equal to plus or minus root of x square. Since mod x rejects negative sign, then mod x is equal to plus root of x square, or mod x is equal to root of x square, comma, for all x belongs to R. So that the theorem statement is, for all x belongs to R, mod x is equal to root of x square. Right, theorem 2. For every x, comma, prove that mod x is equal to mod minus x. Mod x is equal to mod minus x. Right, its proof. We have mod x is equal to maximum of minus x comma x. This is the property for us. Property 1, of course. Property 1. Implies, so replace that x by minus x, so that mod minus x is equal to maximum of x plus replace minus, so that it is minus of minus x comma minus x is equal to maximum of x comma minus x is equal to maximum of, so write like this, the above expression, minus x comma x. This implies or is equal to, what is the value of this from the property? It is mod x. This implies mod x is equal to minus mod of minus x, comma, for all x belongs to R. How we prove this? The simple property. Next, theorem 3. For all x comma y belongs to R and mod of x minus y is less than epsilon, then prove that y minus epsilon is less than x is less than y plus epsilon. See, this mod inequality is same as this y minus epsilon is less than x is less than y plus epsilon. How it is true? By seeing the proof, we may say that it will be true. Proof. For all x comma y belongs to R and mod x minus y is less than epsilon implies, eliminate mod here, the other side is to be plus or minus, so that x minus y is less than plus or minus epsilon implies, as this is less than inequality, this value lies in between them, minus epsilon is less than x minus y is less than plus epsilon. Adding y to both sides throughout the inequality, y minus epsilon is less than x is less than y plus epsilon. Adding y throughout the inequality, throughout the inequality. Next, theorem 4. It's an important theorem. Theorem 4. For all x comma y belongs to R, then prove that mod x plus y is less than or equal to mod x plus mod y. As an important theorem, many times it was in examination. Right, proof. We have mod x is equal to root of x square, come for all x belongs to R. It is theorem 1 also. Implies in place of x we take x plus y. Mod x plus y is equal to root of x plus y whole square, comma for all x comma y belongs to R, is equal to root of x square plus y square plus 2xy. Next, since x is less than or equal to mod x, comma y is less than or equal to mod y, then x square is equal to mod or mod x is equal to mod x square is equal to x square, comma mod y square is equal to y square. Mod y square is equal to y square. So x square place we write as mod x square, y square plus is mod y square, plus 2 is the constant, and x is to be is less than or equal to mod x. Similarly, y is to be less than or equal to mod y. Right. This is the key point in this theorem. As up to here, this is okay. As is equal to here is also is equal to root x plus y whole square expansion is x square plus y square plus 2xy. Whereas from this, the next step will be change the inequality. Why? Because as x less than or equal to x and y less than or equal to y, even minus y is also less than or equal to mod y. These are the terms we have in properties. So by using the properties only, we are proving the theorems. So that x square is place x square is equal to, that is x is equal to x less than or equal to mod x means mod x square is same as x square. This is also one of the property. Mod y square is also is equal to y square. So wherever x square is there, we can write mod x square, y square is there, mod y square, plus 2 is the constant, x is to be less than or equal to mod x. Similarly, y is to be less than or equal to mod y. So this step is to be changed as like this by using the modulus of properties. This is equal to or less than or equal to, put the same as usual. So this is again a square plus b square plus 2ab. So that a plus b whole square, it is mod x plus mod y whole square. This is less than or equal to, cancelling the root and square on both sides, or here maybe square and root can be cancelled. It is simply mod x plus mod y. So finally it is mod of x plus y is less than or equal to mod x plus mod y, comma, for all x comma y belongs to R. This is the important theorem. Even this is to be given for 5 marks in examination. Next, theorem 5. Theorem 5. For all x comma y belongs to R, then mod x minus y is less than or equal to mod x plus mod y. Whether it is plus here in the previous theorem, the right side will be same as mod x plus mod y. Right, proof. We have, by the properties of modulus of real numbers, mod x is equal to root x square, or it is mod x square also is equal to simply x square. Both are same. So take x minus y in place of x. Mod x minus y is equal to root of x minus y whole square is equal to, this is for all x comma y is true. So root of x square plus y square minus 2xy, this is true, is equal to root of x square plus y square plus 2 into x into minus y. I can write like this, the previous step. So now, by using the properties of modulus of real numbers, as it was x is less than mod x, comma y is less than or equal to mod y, even minus x is also less than or equal to mod x, minus y is less than or equal to mod y, and x square is equal to mod x square, comma y square is equal to mod y square. So all these are to be true. So that x square plus, I will write now mod x square plus y square means mod y square plus 2x plus x is less than or equal to mod x, and even minus y also less than or equal to mod y is equal to or less than or equal to mod of a square plus b square plus 2ab is a plus b whole square. It is mod x plus mod y whole square. So cancelling the root and a square, it is only mod x plus mod y. This implies mod x minus y is less than or equal to mod x plus mod y, comma, for all x comma y belongs to R. So all these, the theorems are very important regarding the examination. Thank you very much.